With my dad, I don't know how he do it. Yeah. So maybe this is beach day gone wrong because again. That's Lisette's plate. We're lost. A whole bunch of salt. We've been passed by this beach. So this supposedly what, Lexi?
The bridge broke.
Good morning, y'all.
You always flashing me eating. They don't think I'm a fast.
So stop eating. So it is 9:24 a.m. Today is, what's the date, babe?
I don't know. August 16th. I remember because
I'm doing a mukbang, Lexi.
they don't want that. If they wanted that, they would have went to a mukbang. I remember it's the 16th because yesterday was my best friend's birthday.
So, as you can see, we're eating chicken nuggets for breakfast because we had McDonald's last night. Y'all saw it. But right now, we're waiting for our dad. We were supposed to leave to go to my uncle's house.
What time is it now?
It's almost 9:30.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave at 9.
We were supposed to leave at 9. No, we were supposed to be there at 9. But my dad, I don't know how he do
Missing
it.
again.
Did we even tell them that he was missing the other day?
I told them that he was missing.
Like, bird. But yeah, we just munching right now.
And when we say he's missing, we don't mean like legally. That nigga just go wherever he wanna go.
Let me see if that's him. No, there's some guy in a white car. We got a red car. But yeah, as you can see, we're going to the beach. East. Let's go get away.
They say what they're gonna say.
Have a drink.
Clink. Down the bad.
I don't know what they're supposed to do.
Bad is like me. It's on somebody.
Patron.
Yes, 7 years old.
Anyway, we'll update you guys when my father comes. You're not gonna correct me because I said my father? Come on.
Is he not your father?
Well, hey, but whatever. Hey, all. So it is now 9:56 a.m. and hold on. We need to give you a little timeline of what happened. Lexi, you too tall. So, okay, this works. So I called my dad. Let me bring the receipts. We woke up and my dad wasn't here. So, and you know, we told you that. I called him at 9:10 a.m., right? And I said, hello, can you come? Because we were supposed to leave at what time? 9, like we said. So it's almost 10. My mama called him. No, when I called him, he said he's almost coming. Now it's almost 10, and my mom called him, and now he said he's almost coming.
Now it's raining.
And now it's raining.
It's raining. Yeah.
Yep. Where we're going, I don't know where we're going, but supposedly it's warm on that side. But like, we should have been left. You know what I mean? We woke up early. We didn't make a fuss. And now it's raining. So maybe this is beach day gone wrong because again. If you watch the last time it was windy. If you watch our spring break vlogs, just watch beach day gone wrong. Then you'll see what happened. But we shall see if this is a beach day gone wrong part 2 because right now we don't even know if we're actually gonna end up going. Hey y'all, so it is now 10:30 and we're still here. My dad arrived like at 10-ish and we were just like, you know, yelling at him and stuff. And then we're still here, not at the beach. We shall see what happens. It says that it's gonna rain all day.
We're making a list for when we go to the
Supermarket tomorrow.
supermarket because we need a whole bunch of stuff.
So stay tuned for a supermarket
Can you
vlog
let me
and
finish?
a haul.
We need stuff to clean, to eat.
That's for tomorrow, babe. You're saying too much.
Okay.
But yeah, my uncle and his wife are on the way here. But the weather says it's gonna rain all day. My dad said cyclone.
I bust the window.
Copyright.
notas fue lo que quedaron allí de los.
So we stopped at some place, I don't know.
We on our way to the beach.
Because they're going in my eyes. Stop somewhere to eat. I took off my mascara, but there's still some left. We'll vlog the food when it gets here.
This is my plate, guys. That's Lisette's plate. More totones, more chicken. Look at my freaking cup. Visiting saltwater.
No hay más.
Like so?
¿Qué nos puede llevar de aquí?
So this is salt water, the ocean, and then this is like where they start to refine the salt. Yeah, that's what I'm pointing at. My dad got a bag. He trying to get some free salt. But yeah, this is the salt that they get from the ocean.
We're lost.
Show them where we are. I'll show you guys. Plenty civilization. People passed by. We could have asked for help, but they could have robbed us. So we'll let you know if we make it to any beach.
We're still in salt, guys. Wait. Oh shit. I almost passed by. This is soft as fuck. They still in salt. Look at all this salt. It's hard as fuck. I'm not gonna pick it up because my nails. But it's a whole bunch of salt. I like salt. Salt is good. What the fuck is that? Salt and water. I don't know why I thought it was an alligator.
Hey guys, look, we got a piece of salt.
Taste
I'm gonna taste test some salt. She said we gotta wash it. You heard the man. He said we gotta wash the salt.
Ellos le pondrán algo para que el agua se vaya quedando abajo, porque también me sé que ellos la para abajo y el agua más limpia arriba.
like 3 crabs.
Entonces como que le hacen algo para que el agua se vaya.
They all died because it was too much salt for them.
Still no beach. Look at the piles of salt. We've been passed by this beach. Hold on, I gotta tell a story time. We've been passed by this little beach, but we were trying to find a specific spot. And yeah, I'm guessing this is the little tourist place. But it's a small ass, like, bullshit ass little beach. That's alright. We'll have fun regardless. It's like an hour later, and we're leaving.
It scared me. I'm looking at fine guys.
Yeah, we already did the beach thing.
I did a little cannonball, and don't worry, I know I look good. We're about to leave. So we left the beach, we got changed, we were sitting in our car. Our mom and our uncle and my uncle's wife is in a colmado.
Show the colmado.
Yeah. They won't eat off me.
Oh, an update. Sorry. update on the Haiti situation. I brought it up the other day. I look crazy while Lexi was sleeping. So now they declared that at least 1,297 people are died, but there's more than 5,700 people injured. So like I said in the last video, if I can find the link for, because like, you know, to help and stuff, I'm gonna put it. If I can't, I'm so sorry, because by the time this goes up, you know, yeah, hopefully they have you found a way to get aid and stuff like that. But if there still are links, I will definitely put them in the description box. We're about to get some food, some chips, snacks for the road, snacks. If you demand, if you do durmeax, where are we going? Dahabong? Or are we here?
Going home.
You didn't see them looking at the sign like we're going to Dahabong.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
No.
Guys, I want to go back because there was this one boy who was so cute. He was so tall, dark, skinny, nice hair like my hair. He looked at me. He was like, psst, psst. I should have said something. I should be. I'm quiet.
You always say you should do this and you never do nothing. Like guys, she never does nothing. Like you see her in the video, she be like, nah, I'm a bad bitch, but she never does nothing.
I am a quiet person and I get nervous, okay?
Super nervous. Embarrassingly nervous.
Stop.
No, mom.
I just get nervous. You don't get nervous?
No.
You didn't get nervous when Mr.
Okay. The first couple of months of when me and my boyfriend started talking, I couldn't even make eye contact because I was nervous.
Exactly. So don't
but
be
let's
talking
say,
about me.
no, but at least I would talk to him in person. Like I would go up to him and be like, hi. But for a couple of months, I didn't make eye contact, and then because I was nervous, I was like, what if he actually looks at me and thinks I'm ugly? But I'm a bad bitch. Almost 4 years later, and
I just can't do that. I can't talk to people like I don't know what to say.
he don't watch the videos, so I could. Huh? Bye. We just saw a sign that says, you know, we're going in the direction of Haiti. Were we just talking about them? But if we, no, if the earthquake passed. You hit your head? Yeah. Hopefully the phone caught the boom. If we see anything, we're gonna vlog it. But right now, it's just, you know, the roads and stuff. I'm not gonna record that again. You've seen it now. So if we get somewhere, I'll let you know. Okay, guys. So this is, what is this, Lexi?
This is a different way to go somewhere.
So watch, you guys will see it. Right over here, literally across here, it's literally Haiti. Oh, you can't even see. It's literally Haiti. So this supposedly what, Lexi?
To go to Haiti.
This is the thing to go to Haiti. Officially, all these bitches got guns. Supposedly, I don't want to seem like a tourist.
I don't even know where we're at, to be honest.
We're like, oh my god, where we at, Lexi? It's raining too. So right here and over there, that's Haiti.
The bridge broke.
Tell them.
Oh, the bridge broke. That's the bridge in the water.
The bridge had broke because of the river. That's Haiti over there.
Guys, so basically there was a hurricane or a cyclone, I don't know what it was, and the water of the river came all the way up to here and broke the thingy, and it went all the way over there. So yeah, okay, I don't have a lot of time, but this is where they put the Haitians, like, that they find trying to cross the thing. Very sad. I don't like that. I'm leaving. It is back home, and I untied my bikini because that shit was hurting my neck. It was hurting my neck. It still hurts. My neck is sore from holding up these yitties. And yeah, we got home. I really don't know what time it is. I'm gonna be very honest with you. It's like 9 some. It's 9 some. And I'm gonna make a beef soup because I'm ready to bust that shit down. Lisette's in the bathroom right now. My Crocs are full of sand. I need to go take a shower. And yeah. And yeah. It's me back in the kitchen making a soup. There's no soup in there yet. It's just water. Not the cable backs and the cable backs. The cables in the box. The cables in the box. The cables in the box in the back. Y'all know what I meant. Anyways, there's no soup in there yet. But I'm gonna put it in. Let me show y'all. Right here. No, it's the water. Is this one? It be busting. Yes, it do. Yes, it do indeed. I banged my nail against. It's no sponsor. We took the thingy off. I banged my nail against the back of a freaking car seat. No, it wasn't that one. It was my ring finger. Anyways, it hurts. Oh. Buzzing? It's good? Okay. I don't know if Lisette ended the vlog or whatever, but I'm gonna do it without her. Why is it condensed? Okay. I'm gonna do it without her. Subscribe. What's even our outro? I don't even know without her. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe, because why not? It's never the same. Subscribe, hit the bell, go follow our social medias, and come back because you know you like us and we're fun. And we'll see you in our next. Lisette, she's right here. This is her. And we'll see you in our next video. Peace.